Go ahead, open it.
Okay, Lily, open it. So this Lily, show them. This year, this month, it's the night at the Squeakeasy. Let's show it.
And what month is this for?
It's for May.
No, April, right? Tell everybody it's for April.
And it's spot them all. There are 8 things hiding in the Squeakeasy. If you find them all, you can use your beagle eye.
Oh, she's stealing one.
She's trying to.
Babe Ruth, Bunny and Clydesdale, Charles Lindbergh, Duck Ellington, Josephine Barker, the Jitterbug, a high ball, the big cheese. I found the big cheese. It's Pooch Hooch. It's called Pooch Hooch, and it looks like it's like a drink or something. Yeah, and it has a Highland strip, tube squeaker, and a crinkle. Well, I guess I need squeaks.
Elsa.
Elsa! Oh my God! There it goes. Flo the Flapper. Ooh, this is cute. Its name is Crinkle Disc.
Elsa, where's your
It's a
toy?
Crinkle and Disc Squeaker, and it's behind the squeaks. Here you go.
And it's a flapper.
Wow, you just took it from me. It was Elsa's birthday in March. She just turned 6. We have the birthday bandana. Elsa,
Oh my goodness. So what do you got there, Lily?
So I have a bandana that says birthday pup.
And why do we have that?
Because her birthday was in March, and she just turned 6.
Oh. And what do you have,
I have the original pup pie, the Lazy Dog Cookie Co. Happy birthday pie-shaped treat for a special.
Can you bring it closer to show me?
Okay. Hey. Elsa, this is
Back
not a
up a
toy.
little.
This is a bad
Back up a little. Good. So it looks like a cake, like little pieces of a cake for her, right?
Oh, also, here it is. Here's some stuff on the back.
Oh, so it's the Lazy Dog Cookie Company.
Believes every dog should enjoy a delicious. Since 2001, Lazy Dog Cookie Company believes every dog should enjoy a delicious slice of a homemade pie. Now here's their chance. Our entire vegan line of wheat and soy-free oven-baked pup pies are made with healthy whole grain and are packed with tasty, beneficial treats. Ingredients. The 10-slice pup pies come in a variety of flavors and occasions that are great to celebrate. Great. A dog's special day or to make any old day special. They are also fun gifts for a friend or family member's dog. Let them eat pie! And if you want to see the ingredients, some of these ingredients.
Okay.
Elsa,
And it looks
it's not
like...
time to eat it yet. And now the last.
Okay, there we go.
Elsa,
Okay, good.
So
Who do you have, Lily?
I have Betty Bootlegger, and it says it's a crinkle and a ball squeaker, and behind the squeaks, with a booming squeaker and cracking crinkle paper, this silky dame is hitting on all 8, because it's a spider.
It's a spider. Can you bring it closer to show me and then give it to Elsa, okay? Oh, good. She's very, very cute. What do you got?
This is Scoob. His epic tale begins. And they spelled tail as a dog's tail, not the other kind. Only in theaters May 2020. See? And on the back it says, Scoob, Barkbox, Zoinks, give a friend a free Scoob box. Your next box will be Scoob too. Dog friends, here's your only chance to get the limited edition Scoob. Barkbox packed with Scooby-Doo and
Oh, so it's like a Scooby-Doo.
toys and treats. And free if you subscribe today. To begin your groovy adventures, have your human go to barkbox.com/zoinks with this code. Use promo code SCOOBQR9 WAWQ. Scoob's Groovy Sandwich, the greatest Great Dane, little Scooby snacks. like what a rad Barkbox.
This is the soft and chewy peanut butter carob stick. It's a peanut butter recipe dog treat, and it seems like Elsa likes it already.
Can you bring it closer so I can see it? Down a little. Oh, okay. All right.
Barry and Clyde eat soft baked dog treats with blueberries and bacon, and it was made in the USA.
This is Moose Shine. It's made in Canada, and it says Squeakeasy treats, 100% beef dog treats. It has 100% beef. It's air dried and grain free.
Okay, can you show me the packaging real quick? Thank you.
Elsa's April Barkbox. I hope you enjoyed. We will be putting the promo code in the description. Like, subscribe, and click that bell button so you don't miss a video. Bye!